We had the great pleasure earlier this year of having Blue Tits in our bird boxes, and this is the day the final baby left the box. There he is, waiting for him to emerge. There you are. Waiting and waiting. The parents were still coming, feeding them. Here we go, he's having one of his last feeds. Come on. All his siblings have gone now. This is the last one. Come on. Come out the nest. Parents coming in, feeding. Don't even bother to go in there anymore. Come on, you can come. Just waiting for him to emerge. All his siblings are in the trees waiting for him. Come on. You can do it. Calling, siblings in the background calling. You can do it, you can leave the nest. Oh, you can feel the tension. Come on, little one. Nearly there, you can do it, you can do it. Go on, yes, he did it. Now time to join your family. Oh, you can do it, well done, my sweet. And he's off. One of his parents returns, and sure enough now, the box is empty.